This is my guided math notebook. This is my calendar. I will actually write in the dates. This is for 2019-2020. I will write in the dates, and then each week I will put what our main focus will be for each week. This is the planning page that I will use for math. This will be an extension of my lesson plans that I turn in. I will write the standard or the objective, what I plan to do for the whole group lesson, my discussion question, my small group lesson, and then how I plan on differentiating. This will help keep track of what I will be teaching each and every day for a week-long overview. In my class, we do math rotations or math workstations. I will hopefully have 5 groups that will rotate through about 4 or 5 stations. And so this will help keep track of what each group is doing every day. This is an extension of what I just did, a little bit more specific, and this is for each week. This is how I will keep track of if students are meeting the standard and if we need to go back and review. I will also be using these conference forms to help keep track, especially when it comes time for parent-teacher conferences. These will be very important. I will try to keep track as they come and meet with the teacher. Each student will get a tab in the back that these conference forms will go and get filed under their names. These are my guided math rotations. We will use this stack. We will have a small group, technology. They will use Reflex. If they do not use Reflex, then they can also use other iPad games. Apply, this is when we do our worksheets from our math curriculum. Create, because I teach with ELS students, I realized that math word problems are very, very difficult. This will be just a section where they get to practice those math word problems. Kinesthetic, this will be a hands-on game for them to do. I will go through each of these. I will probably start with apply, and then technology, and then create, small group, and then kinesthetic. So I will go out of order when I am teaching these procedures. I will use this though as we start getting into it. However, I will teach each of these letters and each of these procedures for about 1 week before we start moving through all of the math rotations. This is a page that will allow me to write down who is going where and when. This is to help me as I track math and track what my students need to know. I will be able to write down the name of the student. I'll be able to write down how they did, what they need, what they're strong in, and what strategies that they've used. This is also going to be useful for taking notes. If there's anyone who is struggling with math or is struggling with a particular strategy or skill in math, I will be able to use, and then I will put this in their tab that they have.